Hey everyone, so I searched what is the most powerful leaf blower currently made, and I stumbled upon these ECHO products. Seems like ECHO makes one of the most powerful leaf blowers, and this is what I bought, the PB-9010HT, the world's most powerful backpack blower. When I bought this, I didn't see a lot of videos on how to, what's actually in the box and how to put it together. So I thought it would be a good idea to just put it together. A novice, homeowner, lawn guy. So enjoy. At the end, you'll see the blower in action, and click on the video at the end that shows you more details on the specs. It's the PB-9010HT ECHO. 2-year commercial warranty, 5-year consumer warranty. Let's see what's in this guy. Cool. Beautiful. All right. These are the 2 extensions. Uno, dos. Pretty sure this is at the end of it, towards where the actual machine is. This is the throttle and the handle. I think I have the hip throttle. So let's see. Ooh. This is the end part of the tubing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wow. That is beautiful. It's not too hairy. Okay. All right, so the throttle, this is the one with the hip throttle. If you look over here, it looks super comfortable actually. It has this cushion base. I see the fan in the back. Seems pretty sturdy. This is a really good material. It's not bad. So I bought the hip throttle, though there's one that comes on the handle, but I got the one with, oh, there it is. Oh yeah. So you control it from here, the power. And then there's a symbol of a rabbit and a tortoise. I'm guessing the tortoise is slow and the other one. I kind of want to use it on the second. I like to use with my left hand over here and then the handle right there. So let's see. Okay. There's a little wire right here. Inside going. Inside there. I think this is a when you, to avoid electrical shocks or like static shock, like kind of like a grounding wire so you don't get shocked. That's what this wire is. But let me just read the instructions before I assume. All right. Okay, installation instructions. All right. Okay, that's how it's supposed to look. Connected, put the wire through, down. Static discharge wire. Yep. Static discharge wire. That's it. You just leave it in there and just let it go down the tube, as far as I comprehend. So these are the instructions right there. Okay, let's do it. The first one is the big kahuna. Big kahuna. These babies. Okay. Let's see. All right, so I got a little WD-40. I'm gonna rub it on the end of this thing right here. So I want to make sure this machine stays from generation to generation. I'm assuming it's this end because it has this little ridge right here. So let me put it on the inside of this too. Beautiful. I'm going to take this guy, the wire that we talked about. I'm going to take this wire and put it through here, like so. So you want to take this connector thing, put it over so we can secure it. Alright, so we connect this first piece onto here, secure it in, make sure the wire is down through, and then what you can use is use a screwdriver, whatever works, socket wrench too. Right now I have this righty-tighty. You want to make sure it's completely around. Alright, that's beautiful. Okay, so now you connect this guy, the edges over here, and then you want to, this is the handle, you just want to place it right over and tighten this. Same thing, a key, take another of these beautiful guys, just a little bit, nothing too crazy. Rub around here inside, and a key, lube it up a little. Oh, take this around this guy. You want to connect it right there. Makes it easier just to pop in. Before you tighten this up. Alright, take the other end. So this guy right here, there's little ridges on this, see? So you want to slide it in like so. Put a little lube before I put it into. Slide it in with these ridges right there, pop it, and then let me secure this right here first. So for these, you literally lock it in. Use these gloves, and I already heard 3 clicks, and that's it. Enter, and you lock it in. You got this beautiful handle, like so. Bang! Beautiful.